This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nancy Ehlen. Fantastic 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath villa located in the beautiful community of Artesia. This spacious 2-level split floor plan comes complete with attached 2-car garage. This unit is vacant and ready for new owners who love a $1 million view without the $1 million price tag. Conveniently located and close to Marco Island, downtown Naples and Southwest Florida International Airport. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Ehlen at 239-494-0455.